Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram requests. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone. That's the first step. And then go to this option right here. It's called apps. This is the apps manager page where you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. All what you have to do is just scroll down until you find Instagram, and here is it. As you can see, if you didn't find it, then just use the search bar here in the top, click on Instagram like this, and it will take you to this page. All what you have to do here is just open the storage page. After you open the storage page right here, you need to clear the data. Even you will lose the data on your Instagram, like the password, and you need to log in again. But this is the quick fix. So click on clear data and then clear cache, and go back, click on this force stop option. And now last thing you have to do is just go to the Wi-Fi and do the same thing. Just turn off the Wi-Fi and turn it on again. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.